Look at these. Look at the geese. Look how they just float along, chilling, and then just step out the water. I wish my thing would be steady. Where is they going? Are they just moving so they don't pile up? Why is that so peaceful? Look, they floated all the way across. All in a row. Just chilling. Now they're going up. That's a pretty high angle too. Animals make it look like there's no effort whatsoever to go up a 45-degree angle. These guys stop themselves from floating. I don't know how they managed to do that. They just turn the little bodies around and keep floating. You think if I blur this around a bit, I can get a lot less monster out of those necks? Because now I'm looking at it, I'm like, yeah, it could have been a goose. Because the neck was looking a little short on Locust. Look at those beautiful birds. I'm gonna say stay far away from me, because you know, geese get a little cry. Yeah. They floated all the way across. Wait. Okay, I was about to say, are those more? They floated all the way across from here. Oh, nope. Figure out your life thing. And they just let themselves go. Not a sound either. I opened the window, couldn't hear not a thing. Just floated along peacefully. Just something nice to look at.